Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 10 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to share with you all how you can get 3 free children's books, plus you can get $10 cash back for getting those 3 free books. So you spend 0 and you get $10. The way that you'll be able to do this is through Ebates. Now I've done a video on Ebates before. I've mentioned it several times during the deal run that we've been having, because you can get additional cash back on top of the deals that I have been discussing with you all. It's very important for you to go ahead and download this if you do any kind of online shopping, and also if you shop period, because you can get in-store cash back as well. So definitely make sure that you go in the description and click on the link to download Ebates. When you use my link, you will start off with $10 simply for joining Ebates and adding your first debit or credit card. And if you would like to know how I get the notifications on my browser anytime that I go to a website that is partnered with Ebates and I can get cash back from them, then definitely check out my video that I also will have linked in the description on how to use Ebates, because I tell you all of that and I show you examples of how it works, proof of getting cash back, etc. So definitely check that out. But if you already have Ebates, or you're ready to go ahead and get started with this deal, go to ebates.com or do it within the app on your phone and search for highlights. And also, if you've been looking at the banner while I've been talking that has been going across the screen on the home page, you can see that it's Green Monday and they upped the cashback amount 3 times. For Green Monday, just like with Black Friday, they upped it 5 times, I believe it was. So this is why it's so important to have Ebates, and if you shop from your computer, to definitely have the plugin on your browser, because you won't miss these opportunities. You're probably already going to shop on these days because you know that deals are going on, and you may forget on top of any deals that you're already getting. But anyway, I digress. So once you search highlights, this is what you're looking for here. There's 44 highlight coupons, it says, up to 15%, was up to 7.5%. We're going to go ahead and click Shop Now. Make sure you see this. That's letting you know that they're tracking your shopping trip, so you will get that cash back. Now, what they did not mention is that you will receive $10 cash back when you get these 3 free books. Now, if highlights is something that you think you may be interested in, of course you can sign up for the newsletter, and it tells you that you will get $5 off of your first order of $20+. So that's an additional deal. But in case you missed it, it did pop up here about Ebates letting me know that the shopping trip is being recorded. Now, if you order anything by December 16th, you will have it for Christmas. Now, what we're going to be signing up for is 3 different book clubs. All the book clubs start free. That's how you're going to be able to get 3 books for free. Let's click on that, or you could go up to the top and click on clubs. Now, it tells you the name of the different clubs, shows you a picture of a book from the club, tells you the price. You can see reviews, the age range for each. Now, what you want to do is add 3 different books to your cart. So let's see. Let's add this one for ages 3 to 6. It's a hidden pictures book. Let's add this puzzle book for ages 4 to 7. Continue shopping. The last book I'm going to add is this book that is hidden pictures again. It's for ages 6 and up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go to checkout. All you need to do is sign up for 3 book clubs. Now, as you can see, it says that it's free, right? So you have a subtotal of $20.85 for those 3 books. It's discounted $20.85, so your order total is $0. If you need to check out with multiple shipping addresses, you can do that. If not, you can go ahead and go to checkout now. Once you go to checkout now, you will need to fill out your shipping information. If it's the same for your billing, you need to click this. You'll still need to put in your first and last name and email address. So for the shipping and processing, they're pretty much saying the same thing. If you order by December 16th, you will have it for December 24th, just in time for Christmas. You need to put in your payment information over here. They take Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. You can review your order once again. And you can read right here about the subscriptions. So when you order these 3 books, of course it's free. The shipping is free. You'll also receive a tote bag for free. Now this is a subscription, so they will send you more books out about every 3 weeks for $6.95 per book plus $2.98 shipping and handling, it says. But you can cancel at any time. You can return any shipment you don't want at their expense and receive a full refund credited to your account. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. This is for the Let's Play and the Hidden Pictures Club. The Puzzle Buzz Club, same for the Eagle Eye and the Hidden Pictures Club. And your child can level up, I guess you can say, in the book club. So once you finish one book club, they'll start sending you books from a different book club that's more advanced. But you can cancel this at any time, so no worries about that. Once you go ahead and fill everything out, click place order now, and then wait on Ebates to give you your $10 cash back. If we go to cashback balance on my account, you will see under cashback on purchases after you made your purchase, the date, the store highlights, the order number, the amount you spent, and the cashback value that you're receiving, which is $10. So you just got at least 3 free books. It sounds like they send out another one as well. So possibly 6 free books for 3 different subscriptions. You didn't have to pay anything and you got $10 for doing so. Well, I hope you all are able to take advantage of this cashback value. Now, I do believe that this is a glitch that Ebates is having, so definitely hurry over to take advantage of this. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.